boys and girls, today what I did is that I went to go check on the seeds that we planted last week. I don't know if you remember. And guess what, boys and girls? They are growing. Let me show you what they look like. Ooh. Look at that, boys and girls. Let me be very careful. Because let me tell you something, boys and girls. These little seeds are like babies. That's what they are. They're baby plants. See this? Remember how when we first planted them, they looked like this? Now look what they look like, boys and girls. This right here is the root. And the root, boys and girls, this is going to go underneath in the ground. And what the root does is that it gets all the water and the nutrients. And then on the very top, boys and girls, on top of the seed, that's where the sprout is going to grow. Let me show you what a seed looks like. Because when we look at the seed like this, you can't see what the seed looks inside. Let me show you what it looks like inside. Boys and girls, this seed, I don't know if you can see on this one right here, there's an outer coat, and that's basically what it is. This one you can actually see it. I see it on this one. Oh wait, see it on this one. See, the coat is coming off. What the coat does, boys and girls, and basically that's the name of the coat. It's called a seed coat. And what the seed coat does is that it tells the seed when it's time to grow. Because, boys and girls, when the seed is inside the bag, it's not getting the water and the sunlight that it needs to grow. So the seed plant tells it, don't grow yet, don't grow. Another thing about the seed is that in the seed, when it's in this bag, since it's not getting the water and the nutrients that it needs to grow, inside of the seed, I don't know if you can see inside the little dots, that is something called endosperm. What an endosperm does, which I think is so cute, is that there's snacks like in a little backpack. And what that does, boys and girls, is that it helps the plant keep its nutrients. So when it's time to grow, it knows when to grow. And guess what tells the seed when it's time to grow and how to grow? An embryo. The embryo, I don't know if you can see it here. It's outside of the seed, usually on the very side. You can't really tell because it's dark on this one. And what the embryo does is that it tells the seed where it should grow. And what I mean by that, boys and girls, is that it tells the seed where the sunlight is coming from and where the dirt is. Just like on these little seeds right here, it was the embryo that told the little seed, hey, you need to grow a root here. And it's going to be the embryo that's going to tell the root later on when I put it in dirt, which we'll do later. It's going to tell it when and how to grow a little sprout. And then once it grows a little sprout, the same thing, the embryo, it's like the seed's brain. And what the embryo is going to do is that it's going to tell the seed how to grow that sprout and when to grow it, and how the flower is going to grow, because a sunflower seed is going to grow sunflowers, right? And a watermelon seed is going to grow watermelons. The embryo is the little brain that tells the seed, hey, you need to make sunflowers, or hey, you need to make watermelon. So, boys and girls, let me know if you planted your seeds and let me know how it goes. And let me know if you did more than sunflowers. I think I'm going to try something else. We'll see. Until we meet again, boys and girls, stay safe.